and Sharks. So here we are. We're actually going into Club Binions right now. So let's go ahead and wander over that general direction and see about getting our comps.
Is the Ace of Vegas, the Ace of Vegas.
Hey there, Spinners and Sharks, Ace of Vegas here, and I hope you're doing well. So it's been a while, but the last time we did a Binions video, we discussed the game closing down and making sure that you saved any rewards if you had any of them left. Now the reward redemption has been extended to 2022, and now seems like the best time to do those redemptions. You'll want to check out our last video. I'll put a link to that in the upper right hand corner of the screen and in the description box to see how to redeem and save your rewards. If you've already done that, then let's walk down to Binion's desk so that we can get our vouchers. Here we go.
Alright, Spinners and Sharks, here we are. We got our Club Binions card. Most important thing, actually got $5 of free play on that just for signing up new. We also got a $50 food credit down here at the Binions Deli or Cafe. The deli doesn't open till midnight, so we're going to go ahead and stick with the cafe. And then also we've got the 20-ounce specialty drink at Whiskey Liquor Up. Now, the issue date, they have that for the 22nd. It's good till the 24th, so if you come in early and then you want to use your stuff tomorrow, that is just fine too. You just go up to the desk, you show them your app, and then you rock and roll from there. Alright, Spinners and Sharks, our ribeye is here. 10-ounce ribeye, looking pretty good. And then we've got we've got some garlic herb and butter toast over here. And then we've got some pommes frites. Alright, Spinners and Sharks, so as it turns out, all we had to do was we just kind of walk up to the cashier, handed over the voucher, and then that was pretty much it. Alright, so we've inserted the card here. We went to account, and now we're going to go to free slot play. And then you gotta enter your PIN. And after you've entered your PIN, you hit enter. Validates the PIN. And then we just transfer it to game over here. And then we have slot play. So we'll pick $5. Transferring in progress. And funds are transferred to the game. And then, if you guys are wondering, you can't cash them out right away. You have to bet it through. So, let's go ahead and give it a go. We'll go ahead and pick 20 lines here. So, we're going to play our max lines. And then we'll do one per bet. So, that should give us 25 spins. So, it'll be like a little mini draw here. 25 spins on the clock. On our marks, get set, ready, and go. Alright, Spinners and Sharks, here it is. I got my specialty drink, Jameson and Ginger, all for free. Cowgirl Up bar over here, just outside. Well done, well deserved, and a great way to spend my Binions comps, honestly. So I'm going to be drinking this bad boy up, and we're going to have a good rest of the night.
Alright. Alright there, Spinners and Sharks, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's tutorial and found it informative, I'd appreciate a like, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hopefully, if you're still sitting on a few Binions rewards, watching us successfully redeem them has put a little spring in your step and will help you look forward to your next Vegas trip. Until next time though, this is Ace of Vegas signing out, and I'm wishing you strong hands and, of course, happy spinning, you guys.
Viva Ace of Vegas. Viva Ace of Vegas. Viva Ace of Vegas. Viva